and ever wonder what it takes to truly open your heart after unimaginable loss. Safiyya Vorajee, known for her strength and resilience, is sharing a beautiful new chapter. It's a story about rebuilding, rediscovering joy, and embracing vulnerability. Safiyya recently posted a heartwarming picture leaping into the arms of her new boyfriend at the airport. It wasn't just a sweet moment, it was a declaration. Uh, she's entering what she calls her soft girl era. And, um, but what does that mean? For Safiyya, it's about reclaiming softness. For a long time, she focused on building inner strength, learning to be her own safe haven. Protecting her peace became paramount. Allowing someone new into that carefully guarded space felt incredibly vulnerable. And it wasn't just about opening her heart, but trusting someone with the version of herself that she had worked so hard to rediscover. She realized that this new phase wasn't about losing independence. It was about learning she could be strong and still allow herself to be cared for. Um, whole on her own, but open to sharing her life with someone special. And it's about understanding that true strength isn't always about carrying everything alone. And sometimes it's about feeling safe enough to put some of it down, to receive love, and to trust the unfolding of something beautiful. This comes after a particularly challenging few years. Safiyya welcomed her beloved daughter, Azalea, with ex-partner Ashley Kane. Tragically, Azalea passed away at just 8 months old after a battle with leukemia. The heartbreak was immense, and Safiyya navigated unimaginable grief with grace and courage. Now she's allowing herself to experience joy again, to believe in love, and to embrace a future filled with hope. Interestingly, this new chapter unfolds as Safiyya's former partner, Ashley Kane, faced scrutiny for past misogynistic comments. He's since acknowledged his past behavior and expressed remorse. Safiyya's journey is a powerful reminder that healing is possible even after profound loss. And it's a testament to her strength, resilience, and unwavering belief in the power of love. And it's a beautiful story, isn't it? It just goes to show, sometimes you need to embrace your soft side to truly blossom. Speaking of soft, did you hear about the Heartbroken Strawberry? It had a jam session and couldn't stop crying. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you